Hepatitis current perspective as a part to commemorate World Hepatitis Day. World Hepatitis Day celebrated in honor of Dr. Bloomberg, who discovered hepatitis B and its vaccine. It is a great opportunity for us to raise awareness of the global burden of viral hepatitis and for the adequate prevention, diagnosis and treatment. With a person dying every 30 seconds from hepatitis-related illness, we cannot wait to act on viral hepatitis. WHO aims to achieve elimination of viral hepatitis, a public health threat, including elimination of mother-to-child transmission by 2030. First of all, I seek blessings of Almighty. May Goddess Saraswati bless all participants with wisdom of patience and knowledge of empathy. The CME has seen light of the day under able guidance and support of our worthy secretary, Shri Prem Kumar Gupta ji. It is because of his vision that today we have state-of-the-art laboratory equipped with latest equipment and infrastructure comparable best in the country. I welcome our nominated member for PMC. Due to some urgent reason he could not join us, Dr. Pritpal Singh, member PMC, who is glad to announce that he has awarded us 4 credit hours for this CME. I extend my warm welcome to our principal sir, Dr. Sandeep Puri, our Dean Academics, Dr. Sandeep Kaushal, and Dr. Ajit Sood, Professor and Head Gastroenterology. It is my extreme pleasure to welcome the Medical Officer, Dr. Mahandeep Kaur, Dr. Sandeep Bolla, Deputy Medical Commissioner from Kapurthala, Dr. Ekta Gupta from ILBC, Dr. Raman Sardhana, Secretary HISI, and we are having Dr. S.K. Sinha, HOD Gastroenterology, PGI. And the other speakers from DMC, Dr. Anurag Chaudhary. Other speakers from DMC, Dr. Ashma Taneja, Dr. Anurag Chaudhary, and Dr. Varun Mehta. I welcome all faculty, consultants, and residents who have shown keen interest in this CME. I am happy to announce that more than 150 delegates have registered for this event, and must convey gratitude to the management, administration, and staff members of DMCH for providing us with all the infrastructure and logistics for organizing this conference. Our department has all the facilities for diagnosis of hepatitis. Many research projects have been done on this topic. The department actively participates in raising public awareness on this pertinent issue and monitoring of infection control processes. It gives me great pleasure to announce that Department of Microbiology, Ludhiana is celebrating its Golden Jubilee this year. Established in 1972, the department has traversed a glorious journey studded with numerous achievements in the field of academics and diagnostic services, from bench work to automation. The souvenir being brought out on this occasion captures the brief history, magnificent contribution and memories of the department. It is a tribute to all faculty, postgraduates and staff who have contributed to the growth and glory of the department over the year, and they serve as a constant source of inspiration to carry its legacy forward. I hope this multidisciplinary CME will offer a great opportunity for close interaction and exchange of thought. It is the responsibility for each one of us to process ourselves for following healthy practices and to get vaccinated. I wish the CME a great success and hope the deliberation of this CME will provide a step forward in updating the knowledge for all the delegates.